Today we will make a very easy and delicious fruit custard which we will prepare with perfect measurement and add lots of delicious fruits and nuts. Its creamy texture and sweetness of fresh fruits make it even more enjoyable. You can serve it on any special occasion or during the hot summer month. So let's get started with this tasty and refreshing fruit custard recipe without any delay. To make fruit custard, the first thing we will need to do is boil milk in a pot. Here I am adding 1 liter of full cream milk. To enhance the creaminess of this custard, we will also add 1 cup of fresh cream. Now we will add sugar to it. I am adding about 200 grams of sugar, but you can adjust the sugar according to how sweet you want it to be. Along with that, we will add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. This will make our fruit custard even more flavorful. Now we will mix everything well and let it boil on medium flame for about 5 minutes. While the milk is boiling, we will prepare the custard mix. I had set aside about 1 bowl of milk from the 1 liter of milk, and into this milk we will add 4 tablespoons of custard powder. Now mix it well so there are no lumps. We need to use plain custard powder here without any flavor. Here we have mixed the custard powder into the milk, and the milk has also boiled well. So now we will reduce the stove's flame to low and we will gradually add the custard mix into the boiling milk while continuously stirring it to prevent any lumps. We will continue stirring and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes to remove the raw taste of custard and let it cool properly with the milk. At this point the milk has thickened well. So now we will turn off the stove and let it cool down. Now in a large bowl, we will add some ice cubes and pour cold water over them. We will place the custard milk over this cold water and stir it well to help it cool down quickly. If you don't want to cool it instantly, you can leave it for about half an hour and it will cool down well by itself. So we can add the fruits once it is cooled. After stirring the custard milk for about 1 to 2 minutes, it has cooled down enough to add fruits. Now we will transfer it to a separate bowl and add all our favorite fruits. Here I am adding 1 bowl of chopped bananas, 1 bowl of cubed apples, 1 bowl of green and black grapes which I have halved, and 1 small bowl of pomegranate seeds, and finally chopped almonds and pistachios. We will mix these fruits well with the custard. The dry fruits are optional. If you don't like dry fruits, you can skip them. And you can also add other fruits of your choice. We just need to be careful not to add too many sour fruits, as they will make the custard taste bitter. Now our creamy and smooth textured fruit custard is ready. We will refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours to cool it down. After it is chilled, we will serve it and enjoy this cool and fruity dessert in the summer. You can also make it during Ramadan iftar. Do try making it and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.